A multi-purpose personal photobiomodulation device, the X-Plus is versatile and affordable. It is designed for photobiomodulation of the posterior brain area, the blood, and other regions of the body. The X-Plus adds to the effectiveness of the Vielight Neuro intracranial headsets. This new wearable can deliver near-infrared light to the back of the head, particularly the cerebellum, where the Neuro headset does not reach. The X-Plus and the Neuro, together with their respective nasal applicators, can now stimulate most of the brain's important regions as well as the blood. This is the X-Plus LED module. It emits a strong beam of light with a wavelength of 810 nanometers for brain photobiomodulation. The LED module has a built-in microfan to keep the unit from overheating. This is the intranasal applicator with a built-in LED diode that emits a 633 nanometer light beam. This shorter wavelength is geared towards blood and systemic photobiomodulation. This is the control unit. It has a power switch as well as the low battery and applicator fault indicators. This is a silicone sleeve for the nasal applicator clip. If the clip is too loose, insert the silicone sleeve over the clip's arm for added comfort. Make sure that your control unit is charged overnight before first use. If you're in a country with voltage that is different from the North American standard, please use an appropriate power adapter before charging. Insert the headset's jack into the control unit. Then, insert the intranasal applicator's jack into the control unit. You are now ready to use your X-Plus. Each X-Plus session is timed for approximately 20 minutes. The indicator light will blink throughout the session. At the end of the session, the unit will beep 3 times and then switch off. The unit may be switched off at any point during the session by pressing the power button. Note that if you decide to continue your session after turning the device off, a new timed full session will begin when you turn your X-Plus back on. When your session is over, carefully remove the nasal applicator from your nostril. Press down on the clip to remove it. Do not pull on the wire to remove the applicator to avoid damaging it. The X-Plus is a versatile device. It can be combined with the Neuro device or used as a standalone device. Here are the X-Plus's many uses. You can use the X-Plus on its own to stimulate the cerebellum. Place the module over the cerebellum area, arching from the forehead to the posterior area of the skull, and turn the device on. A cooling microfan was designed and built into the module to keep the area cool. The fan may produce a faint whirring sound that is audible while it operates. The module shuts off every 5 seconds for 3 seconds before turning on again. This is done to help cool the module further. Should you experience discomfort from the heat, you can stop and remove the headset for a minute before recommencing. The X-Plus can also be used to stimulate the vagus nerve, which extends from the base of the skull or the medulla to the digestive system. To target the vagus nerve area, position the LED module just behind and below the jaw on either side of the neck. The thymus gland lies just beneath the sternum. You can position the LED module on this area to stimulate the thymus gland. The nasal applicator of the X-Plus emits a visible red light. The 633 nanometer wavelength is absorbed into the dense network of blood capillaries inside the intranasal channel. Additionally, the X-Plus can be positioned on many parts of the body for local effects. It can be used on a joint or another source of pain. The LED module in the X-Plus combines well with the nasal LED, delivering a more holistic approach to photobiomodulation. To clean the applicator, gently wipe its surface with an alcohol swab or cotton pad dampened with hydrogen peroxide. Use a soft, dry cloth or cotton swab to clean the control unit and other surfaces. Do not use alcohol, hydrogen peroxide, or other abrasive cleaners. Do not submerge the applicator or control unit in water. Store the equipment in a dry location, free from dust, away from direct sunlight. The storage temperature should be within 10 to 40 degrees Celsius, or 50 to 104 degrees Fahrenheit. The X-Plus devices are made with high-quality materials. The nasal applicator clips are made of tough, high-impact plastic materials. However, excessive force can cause damage to the clip, permanent deformation, or breakage. Some users share their devices with others. If you're uncomfortable with sharing your applicator with someone else, you could purchase an additional applicator. Please note that applicators are not interchangeable between the various models of the Vielight devices, as they are optimized for their respective power outputs and pulse modes. Sometimes troubleshooting is needed. For example, if the indicator light stalls at app fault, there are two possible reasons. Either the applicator isn't plugged in properly, or the applicator is faulty. Please check the warranty on your device. If the device is out of warranty, replacements can be purchased directly from Vielight. We hope you get good use out of your new Vielight X-Plus.